Are you tired of diets that leave you starving and workouts that don't seem to flatten your belly? What if I told you the solution could be sitting in your fruit bowl right now? Yes, the right fruits can actually help melt stubborn belly fat. But here's the catch: not every fruit works the same way. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful fruits proven to combat belly fat efficiently. Make sure you stay with me until the end, because number 10 is one you probably eat every day but never realized it was secretly fighting belly fat. Number 1. Apples. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in your stomach, slowing down digestion and making you feel full for hours. This keeps you from snacking unnecessarily. Apples also regulate blood sugar spikes, preventing the fat storage that usually happens after meals. Eating an apple before lunch or dinner can reduce your appetite and help you consume fewer calories overall. Number 2. Grapefruit. Known as one of the most powerful fat-burning fruits, grapefruit has been studied for its role in lowering insulin levels. By keeping insulin under control, your body is less likely to store fat around your waistline. Grapefruit also boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even at rest. Eating half a grapefruit before meals has been linked to significant weight loss in multiple studies. Number 3. Blueberries. These tiny berries are nutritional giants. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which directly impact belly fat by reducing inflammation and improving how your body processes sugar. They prevent your liver from storing fat and improve insulin sensitivity. A daily handful of blueberries can actually shift how your body stores and burns fat. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are often misunderstood because of their fat content, but it's the right kind of fat, monounsaturated fat. These healthy fats reduce belly fat by lowering bad cholesterol and keeping your metabolism running strong. They also contain plenty of fiber and potassium, which reduces bloating and water retention. Eating half an avocado with your meal can keep you full and satisfied while fighting stubborn belly fat. Number 5. Watermelon. Sweet, refreshing, and hydrating. Watermelon is made up of 92% water. That means it fills your stomach without adding too many calories. Its high potassium content helps reduce bloating, while its amino acid citrulline improves blood flow and reduces fat accumulation. Eating watermelon regularly can flush toxins, hydrate your body, and reveal a slimmer, flatter midsection. Number 6. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that improves digestion by breaking down protein and reducing bloating. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, which is important because chronic inflammation leads to belly fat storage. Pineapple is naturally sweet but has fewer calories compared to processed desserts, making it the perfect guilt-free snack that actively fights belly fat. Number 7. Berries. Strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. These colorful berries are fiber-packed, meaning they slow down digestion, balance blood sugar, and stop your body from storing fat around your waist. Raspberries, for example, contain ketones that may increase fat metabolism. Strawberries help regulate appetite hormones, and blackberries are loaded with vitamin C to boost metabolism. Together, they are a powerful belly fat fighting trio. Number 8. Papaya. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that supports better digestion and prevents fat from accumulating in your abdominal area. It also reduces bloating and constipation, giving your stomach a flatter appearance. On top of that, papaya is full of antioxidants and vitamin C, which help your body burn calories more efficiently. A bowl of papaya in the morning is one of the best ways to kickstart your metabolism. Number 9. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that stop fat from storing in your belly while improving blood flow and energy. Drinking pomegranate juice or eating the seeds reduces appetite and cravings. Studies also show that pomegranates help reduce stress hormones like cortisol, which is directly linked to belly fat storage. Number 10. Bananas. Bananas often get a bad reputation for being too high in carbs, but in reality they're amazing for belly fat when eaten in moderation. They're loaded with potassium, which flushes out excess sodium and water retention, giving your belly a slimmer look. Bananas also balance gut bacteria and provide resistant starch, which your body uses for energy instead of storing as fat. They're a quick, healthy snack that helps keep belly fat under control. So there you have it, 10 fruits that actually help you fight stubborn belly fat efficiently. Remember, it's not about starving yourself, it's about eating smarter. Which of these fruits are you already enjoying? And which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe for more powerful health tips, and share this video with a friend who's on their own fitness journey. Eating the right fruits could be the game changer they've been waiting for.